The NHL offseason for the Montreal Canadiens has been a masterclass in strategic patience, a quiet storm of calculated moves and disciplined restraint. While other teams have made splashes, Kent Hughes has been meticulously building, refining, and waiting for the opportune moment. The pursuit of a top six forward has dominated the headlines, but beneath the surface, another critical need has been quietly simmering, bolstering the right side of the defense. And now, an intriguing name has surfaced, a player who could provide exactly the kind of solid, affordable, and long-term stability the Canadiens crave on the blue line. Zach Whitecloud of the Calgary Flames. Let's be honest, Habs fans, the right side of our defense, while showing flashes of brilliance, still needs shoring up. We have incredible talent in Lane Hudson and Noah Dobson, but depth, especially with a right-shot defenseman who can play a reliable two-way game, is paramount for a team with genuine playoff aspirations. The Flames, deep in a rebuild, are naturally facing questions about the future of their established players, and Whitecloud, a proven commodity, fits the profile of someone who could be on the move. If Calgary makes him available, Kent Hughes should be on the phone faster than a Cole Caulfield one-timer. Zach Whitecloud is not a flashy, offensive defenseman who will light up the scoreboard. That's not his game, and that's not what the Canadiens need from him. What he brings is something far more valuable for a contending team. Rock-solid defensive play, physicality, and unwavering commitment to his own end. In 78 games last season, split between the Vegas Golden Knights and the Flames, Whitecloud posted 2 goals, 15 assists, and 17 points. But those numbers don't tell the full story. His 124 hits and 140 blocks are the statistics that truly define his impact. This is a player who sacrifices his body, who closes gaps, who wins puck battles, and who makes life miserable for opposing forwards. Imagine Whitecloud slotting into either our second or third pairing. He immediately provides a steadying presence, a reliable partner for a more offensive-minded defenseman, or a cornerstone for a shutdown unit. His strong defensive play makes him a clear, immediate choice for the Habs' penalty kill, an area where consistency and reliability are absolutely crucial. In the crucible of playoff hockey, where every inch of ice is contested and every defensive zone faceoff feels like a life-or-death struggle, a player like Whitecloud becomes indispensable. He's the kind of unsung hero who quietly wins games, who allows offensive stars to shine by taking care of business in his own end. And here's where the value proposition becomes truly compelling. Whitecloud will be more than a one-year rental. He's under contract for a very affordable $2.75 million cap hit through the 2027-28 season. That is an absolute bargain price for a solid, right-shot defenseman who can play significant minutes and contribute in all situations. In an NHL where cap space is gold, securing a player of Whitecloud's caliber at that price for 3 more seasons is a masterstroke of asset management. It provides long-term stability on the blue line, without tying up significant financial resources, allowing Kent Hughes to continue pursuing other high-impact forwards or managing future contract negotiations with greater flexibility. The Flames, being a rebuild, are looking to shed salary and acquire future assets. Whitecloud, while valuable, might be seen as a veteran piece that doesn't perfectly align with their long-term timeline. This creates an opportunity for the Canadiens to acquire a proven NHL defenseman without having to surrender a premium prospect or a high draft pick. A package built around a mid-tier prospect and a conditional draft pick might be enough to get a deal done, especially if Calgary is eager to move his contract. This isn't about making a splash. It's about making a smart, calculated move that addresses a specific need with a proven, affordable solution. Whitecloud isn't the kind of player who will generate highlight reel goals, but he's the kind of player who will prevent them. He's the kind of player who makes his teammates better, who allows the offensive stars to take risks, knowing that he's got their back. He's the kind of player who wins championships. The Canadiens have built an exciting, dynamic roster, but every contender needs a blend of skill, speed, and defensive reliability. Whitecloud brings that defensive reliability in spades, a calming presence on the right side that would allow our young, offensive defensemen to flourish. He's a perfect complement to the existing talent, a piece that strengthens the entire defensive core and makes the team more resilient, more difficult to play against, and ultimately more prepared for the rigors of a deep playoff run. So, Habs Nation, what do you think? Is Zach Whitecloud the quiet, effective solution to our right side defensive needs? Does his affordable contract and strong defensive play make him an ideal target for Kent Hughes? Or should the Canadiens continue to prioritize offensive additions, even if it means leaving a hole on the blue line? Let your voices be heard in the comments below. This is our team, our passion, and your insights are invaluable. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay locked in because the NHL offseason is a relentless drama, and the Montreal Canadiens are always at the heart of it. We are in this together, through thick and thin, through every triumph and every challenge, because we are the Canadiens and our pursuit of glory is unwavering. Go Habs go!